Hi, my name is Sarah Poche Madsen, and here is my redesigned website for Adams County, Iowa. So we have the landing page with quick links on it that will take you to where you need to go. There's some news and then a footer on there. So why this design is better is it's just a lot cleaner. There's only things that are important on the home page, and there's easy access to the most used links for the county. And so we can go to the menu and click. I set it up to only where you could really click on voter information. So you can go to voter information. The voting information page is kind of set up the same way. You have different options you can choose from, but one for the assignment was determine my precinct. So you can go there, enter your address, and when you enter your address, it comes up with a picture of where you vote, what precinct you're in, and the address. And I'm not sure why that's not working right there. So now I'm going to show you really quickly my mobile version, and it's set up pretty much the same way. The home set up with all these quick links, and you can go. So we'll go this time to DMV, and you go to that. You can hear the different DMV locations in Adams County that you could go to. You could enter your address, or if you click on them, they'll take you, maybe. There we go. There's the address one. So if you click on it, it will take you to where you need to go for the driver's test. And I put this little thing, get directions, which would hook to your phone. And man, I'm not sure why those X's aren't working. So I'm going to have to look at that after when I go back. My history page. Oh, wait, here we go. Sorry. And you can access it from other things. So this is my history page. You could scroll through different pictures. You could click on the hamburger menu, and here's your menu for the homepage menu. And again, that X, I'm not sure. So anyway, that is my site. I think I showed you everything. I guess I could show you on the actual website. I did it a little different. I did it kind of like a scrolling timeline, and then if you click on the picture, it will bring up like a pop-up with the picture and this, and then you could click to see more pictures. And let's see if the X finally works. No, it does not. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my site.